Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk to you about Bitcoin and I want to talk to you about the perfect short setup, right? The absolutely perfect short setup. If Bitcoin is going to pull back, this is what you need to look for. And this is how you can make some serious profits. Now, we've already ran through this with our members in our live trading room. If you're interested in joining us in there, just take the 3-day free trial down below. Okay, let's just get into this. Guys, okay, Bitcoin's been in a chop and everybody, the whole crypto world is basically waiting for a resolution, and people at this point do not know what is going to happen. Now, I want to give you one of the very likely scenarios. If this happens, guys, it will present a beautiful short opportunity that you can make a lot of money out of. So I just want to put this out there in advance so you can look on it. And if you want to trade it with us, come on into the 3-day, take a 3-day free trial into our live trading room. We have a lot of buy and sell alerts, and we also have $1 million worth of courses. Now, this, I want to just show you a little bit of a blueprint in a way. Okay, slightly similar, very similar setup, right? You can see here that SXP topped out and dropped down and created a bear flag inside the moving averages, right? Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing, an identical thing, right? Bitcoin topped out, dropped down, and is creating a bear flag underneath the moving averages. Okay, so you can see what happened here. If I zoom this in a little bit, just to give a better view of what actually happened. Let me make this. So what actually happened, guys, was we had this top right here. See this top? We came up, we broke above that. We also faked out above all the moving averages. We broke up, we retested, stop onto this pivot right here. We also retested the base. Look at the base, this base in here. We retested that base and failed to break back inside the base. Okay, so very important. There's a lot of factors in that. The stop point, the breakout, the failure of the moving averages, the moving average structure. Look at the structure. It's a bearish structure, to be fair. It's a bear flag. There's a lot of things in there, and Bitcoin has an identical setup. Okay, so you can see right here. If Bitcoin pops right back up and does the same thing, right? Say if we pop back up, chop, fakes out above this white 100 moving average, right? You can see that there. If I just change that to white, um, so you can kind of just see there, it fakes out above, traps the bulls because the bulls now think the price is going to go higher, but there's too much selling pressure into this base. Just like here, there's too much selling pressure right here, and the price rolled right over. If price rolls right over, it's a very bearish sign because price should break up and out of these moving averages. Price falls back below moving averages, gets stuck. I'm going to repeat that. It gets stuck below moving averages and causes a downtrend. Then we get a second bear flag, right? We drop, we get another bear flag, and then we drop, right? Bitcoin has a bear flag, so to speak. Price move up here, roll over, break down the bear flag, potentially form another bear flag, and maybe drop lower. Okay, I mean, we don't know this yet, but that's speculation. But the setup, guys, is if we get a stop on to a liquidity take or a break into this base and a failure in price action with volume on it, you know, this is where you want to short Bitcoin. This is exactly where you want to short Bitcoin to potentially make a lot of money. If this is the top, short-term top at least. Now, I do think that we've already talked about this in our live trading room. So if you're interested in that as well, come on in. We've made videos. You can watch them in there if you like. But basically, a drop down here would end up skyrocketing Bitcoin. This is a pullback in a bull market, and it's not to be feared. Um, to be honest, you really could have some sort of a measured move on this, and you know move that down, and it'll give you a potential identical price. Sorry guys, I keep hitting that alarm. Now you can see down there at target there's 8,500. That's very rough. I'm just doing that rough here on camera. But we have videos on where Bitcoin should go and where to buy in the future. If you're interested in that, come on in and have a watch. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave this video right there. I'm going to cut it off short and sweet. Just be prepared, guys. It is a new 3-month candle in 3 days' time, in 2 days' time. And this is when institutions, banks, hedge funds, and all the big whales will start to redeploy capital again. It is a new quarter. This is very, very important. The options have all expired, and now the books will be looking to get recapitalized and orders put back on the books and stuff. Very, very important. This is probably one of the most important times in Bitcoin's history, to be honest. With the growth we've had with DeFi, with China getting on board, there's monstrous stuff happening in this market, and a pullback is not to be feared. A pullback will be potentially the best buying opportunity of your life. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to take a 3-day free trial.